Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Word and follow this single reliable path to true dark mode. Open Word and go to File. Choose Account from the left menu to reach Theme Controls. Under Office Theme, select Black to convert the ribbon and panes to dark colors. This method changes the app interface immediately across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Note that the document page might remain white after you change the theme. Keep listening to make the document page dark as well. After setting Office theme to black, change the document page color separately. Use the View menu and select Switch Modes to flip the page background to dark. This preserves text formatting and keeps printing colors intact. If your Word version lacks switch modes, open File Options General and enable any dark mode or disable dark page color option accordingly. On Mac OS, open Word Preferences General and choose Dark Appearance. Remember a few critical tips and exceptions for consistent dark mode behavior. Printing uses the original page color. Printed pages remain white unless you change print settings. To revert to a light interface, return to File Account and set Office theme to colorful or white. Some older Office builds do not support full dark pages, so update Office to the latest build for switch modes and page darkening. If text contrast looks low, adjust page color back to white for editing, then switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.